At MPC, we don't just paint roofs. We restore and protect them with high-performance roofing membrane systems designed to extend lifespan and resist Australia's harsh climate. In this video, we aim to show exactly how we do that. We have a wide range of systems to suit different needs and budgets. In this video, we'll be showing a detailed explanation of our main waterproofing and anti-corrosion membrane system. Noxyde is a water-based, self-priming, elastomeric acrylic coating engineered for direct-to-rust application. It's not just a coating, it's serious protection. Noxyde is very thick, requiring high-pressure spray equipment and specific Graco spray tips for proper application. Once applied, it dries and cures into a tough, rubber-like membrane that flexes with your structure, not against it. It offers incredible flexibility, strength, and long-term durability, with extremely strong adhesion in just 2 hours after application. Noxyde is ISO certified as the highest rated anti-corrosion coating in the world, trusted for all commercial, domestic, and industrial environments where protection really matters. Stage 1 begins with a thorough cleaning and waterproofing of all box gutters, preventing leaks and ensuring water flows exactly where it should. This stage is vital to ensure there are no leaks coming from the gutters, as the next stage will include an entire roof wash. It's extremely important to seal and waterproof all drainage points before this to limit any water ingress. Stage 2. Next, we check, secure, and retention all screws and fasteners. This is then followed by a deep clean across the entire roof to remove dirt, debris, and contaminants, creating a perfect surface for adhesion. Stage 3. Now it's time to tape and waterproof all penetrations and flashings. All roof penetrations, such as holes, vents, flues, back flashings, and AC mounts, are taped and sealed to eliminate water entry points and ensure long-term protection. Penetrations due to damage or rust that are too large for taping are cleaned, and flashing plates are installed to seal and reinforce. Once plates are installed, they are overcoated in membrane to make them watertight. All of these areas, which are now treated, are later covered by additional top coats, creating a strong, uniform barrier against water, rust, and UV degradation. Stage 4. This stage includes stripe coating on all seams and back flashings across the entire roof. This provides a base layer for the next step. Stage 5. Taping and back coating. All seams are reinforced with a specialised membrane tape, which we spray and backbrush, embedding the tape into the membrane for maximum durability. Stage 6. Line walk check. Before moving on to the top coats, our team conducts a meticulous line check across the entire roof, ensuring every area meets our quality standards and is ready for top coat application. In this case, it was deemed necessary to complete another full pressure wash of the entire roof to remove any dirt or debris that had built during completion of the prior steps. Stage 7. First top coat application. The first top coat is applied across the full roof, forming the base layer of your protective barrier. Stage 8. Second top coat application. A second and final top coat follows, ensuring a minimum micron depth for warrantability. Ensuring the right thickness of coatings help with enhancing weather resistance, UV stability, and long-term performance. Stage 9. Final walkthrough and client inspection. Finally, we walk the roof with you, verifying every detail and ensuring your satisfaction before we sign off. Some of the measures undertaken in this video are optional additions that were chosen by the client. Another additional option we offer is screw head encapsulation. This process includes the sealing and encapsulation of all screw heads across the roof for additional protection and improved waterproofing. The step is completed after the main membrane is installed and can be optioned at any stage during the installation process. MPC supplies detailed quotes where each additional option is clearly listed. Each option is broken down into priced line items. Visual examples are also displayed, giving you the power to pick and choose what's important for you. Whether you're dealing with leaks, corrosion, or aged surfaces, MPC delivers a membrane system tailored to your roof's specific needs, backed by industry-leading products and warranties of up to 20 years. Call or email today for a free quote on your roof tomorrow. Melbourne Protective Coatings. Professional, personal, proven. The painting and specialty coating experts.